Hi guys!
Hi.
Welcome to our video.
Yeah.
I cannot say this is the vlog because
No, I'm
I'm
from the
not a vlogger, but
I'm from the Adams family.
what do
And
you mean, Adam?
Adams family, I'm the vampire.
Actually, guys, we're just taking video because we're trying my
Expensive camera.
not DJI, but this is a vlogging camera we buy in
Without brand,
online.
no name.
Yeah, there's no
The
name.
no name camera.
But the quality is good from the video. You can see I can upload this in my YouTube, guys. You can check it out over there.
And you never can believe we change the language. We change the language in the camera in English.
Yeah.
In only 1 hour, we tried it in the KI in Google and asked how we can change the language in this no-name camera, and Google said exactly how you can change it, and it's working, and we're so happy now.
Yeah, and we found it how to change it, the settings of this, and actually this camera arrived on Wednesday, but you need to put micro SD to work on this. So now he buy me this.
Yeah, included microphone from Boya, as a Boya microphone. This is a Chinese brand, but this is a good brand. And for all together, only 59 euro about this, included
Yeah.
delivery.
So this is it, guys. Let's see for uh, for some vlog that I will make for this camera. I will upload it in my YouTube, and you can check how it will work and how it will last this camera.
Yes,
And on our next trip, we will bring this to show you which country we're gonna go for holiday.
maybe we'll go Thailand or Vietnam,
You
something
will
safe.
see, you will see. I will upload it in my YouTube.
Yeah, and
So please like and hit the button subscribe
yes,
for my
exactly.
YouTube channel. I'm starting to be a blogger. Let's please support.
Yeah, do the abonnent of the blog from Mylene.
Please support. My name is Mylene Ibarbia. My YouTube account is my real name, so you can see on that. And hope to see you again. Choose
Yes.
everyone.
Bye bye.